Let's look at the day's business, where high transaction cost and low consumer education on the financial market are some of the major challenges facing retail in Kenya. The Institute of Certified Investment and Financial Analysts say the sector is also facing a high case of fraud, calling for stronger regulations and the adoption of modern retail business trends.
The Institute of Certified Investment and Financial Analysts wants the government to reduce the cost of taxation in trading and allow the borrowing and lending of securities to retain investors. The players in the sector also identified inadequate information in making investment decisions is a big challenge. Isifa says new store openings, acquisitions and e-commerce are expected to drive the Kenyan retail industry as it bounces after a turbulent period caused by COVID-19.
We want to speak to every investor from every level, whether it is the hustlers, and another way is have campaigns in collaboration with the government, have the financial literacy campaigns. I know there are also efforts to have the financial literacy education starting from our young children in school. That is one way, but we can enhance this to keep it consistent and effective.
The retail sector in Kenya is the second most developed and sophisticated in Africa, after South Africa, with large retailers like Carrefour, Naivas, Chandarana and Quickmart controlling more than 40% of the market. The government plans to reform laws and regulations that will spur the sector, which contributes almost 80% of the country's gross domestic product while employing 90% of Kenya's workforce. Frederick Mwoki for Lunchtime News.